This video will help you select one of the best sublimation printers available in the marketplace. One of the top-notch brands in this industry is Epson. These sublimation printers will help you empower your business a lot. Beginners in the printing industry do not know which factors to consider while looking for a sublimation printer. So, I will also add a buyer's guide so that you can make the best decision regarding the purchase.
We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Epson Workforce WF7710 Printer. The Epson brand printers are the most highly rated and most selling printers in the United States. Most of the Epson printers work on sublimation technology. The reason for being the best sublimation printer is that they are the most versatile printers, and they come up with the best features fulfilling every workplace's printing requirements. It can produce quality borderless printouts up to 13A cubed x 19A cubed and scans up to 11A cubed x 17A cubed owing to its precision core technology. Regarding it as a wide format and all-in-one printer, it uses inkjet technology with the 250-sheet tray and a rear feed for specialized paper, assuring greater efficiency in any printing business. When it comes to multifunctionality, the WF7710 Epson printer features automatic two-sided printing, copying, scanning, faxing, and a 35-page auto document feeder. You can also use the 4.3A cubed color touchscreen for ease of navigation and management. And also good news for those looking for the best sublimation printer for Cricut designs, the Epson Workforce 7710, by using DuraBrite ultra-pigmented ink, can now produce circuit designs that are clog-proof, fade-resistant, and water-resistant. Moreover, the WF7710 is equally suitable for the wired and wireless networking system, so you can also make prints from your tablets and smartphones easily along with the Wi-Fi Direct, NFC, and Ethernet. When comparing Epson WF7710 with the color laser printers, you will get to know that WF7710 can save up to 80% of the power. Also, the actual energy saving varies depending on the model and how it is used. If you want to recycle your Epson printer, you can visit the Epson website for more information on affordable recycling choices. Further, the ISO I24734 standard quantifies black and color print speeds. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET15000 Printer. Next on my list is another Epson sublimation printer that is unique on its own, a whole package. Actually, those tired of using and replacing ink cartridges can now choose Epson EcoTank, which has large-sized ink tanks, enabling convenient and straightforward cartridge-free printing. Using inkjet technology, this sublimation printer is versatile as it can print, scan, fax, and copy with high efficiency. The paper size of 13 by 19 inches, it is most suitable for printing with an Epson EcoTank printer. Most importantly, it enables cartridge-free printing. There are supersized ink tanks once they are empty. It is very easy and economical to replace them. Moreover, you may save up to 90% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles, and remember to buy best sublimation ink for your Epson printer. Compared to ink cartridges, the ink tanks cost as little as 1 cent for each color ISO page against 20 cents with ink cartridges. Once the ink tanks are installed, you can print for up to 2 years without worries. Also, you can print up to 6,000 pages with each replacement ink set. According to an estimate, it equals the 80 cartridges. So you see, it is very economical to use ink tanks compared to cartridges, and you do not have to worry about the wattage of the cartridge during its usage. One of the most revolutionary and advanced things about the Epson ET15000 is that it produces bright prints. Yes, now you can get colorful images very quickly using this all-in-one sublimation printer. Moreover, its automatic document feeder technology can scan up to 8.5A cubed x 14A cubed inches through the rear feed tray. The paper capacity of Epson ET15000 is 250 sheets, including one front tray and a rear feed for specialized paste paper. You can connect it with wired networks, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi Direct. It also works with Alexa. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET4760 printer. In the series of EcoTank printers by Epson, here comes the ET4760. The basic features and core technology of ET4760 are quite similar to the ET15000. Along with some differences. It contains 4 sizable refillable ink tanks that carry a lot of ink, reducing the need for refilling and lowering the cost per print. Epson strongly recommends genuine Epson inks for a high-quality printing experience. Non-Epson inks and inks that haven't been specifically developed for printers may cause problems that aren't covered by the Epson warranty. The design quality of the Epson EcoTank ET4760 is satisfactory. It comes with a detachable power cord that is simple to replace if it becomes damaged. Paper gems are easily accessible from the back and below the scanner slot. The scanner cover stays up by itself, so you don't have to hold it in place, and the scanner lid's hinges can lift high enough to scan a magazine or small book. With its precision core technology, you can produce sharp color papers quickly. Further, it features a flatbed scanner, an automated document feeder, and integrated fax, but it can't scan double-sided documents automatically. There's also no Bluetooth support, although there are plenty of wireless and tethered connections. You can also connect it through Wi-Fi Direct or Ethernet. The Epson EcoTank is the most popular supertank printer. When comparing refill ink bottles to ink cartridges, you can save up to 90% printing costs, roughly 1 cent each color ISO page versus about 20 cents with cartridges. Moreover, the ink lasts up to 2 years in the box. Each replacement set contains enough ink to print up to 7,500 pages in black, 6,000 pages in color. It is regarded as one of the best sublimation printer for beginners. Number 4. Epson Workforce WF7720 printer. If you're looking for a sublimation printer that can empower your business, then the Epson WF7720 is one of the best choices. It's a multi-purpose inkjet printer with dual trays and a 500 sheet capacity. For printing with specialized paper, it features a rear feed that is highly efficient and gives high productivity in any business. For high-volume printing, it also supports a 125 sheet output tray. It is a multifunctional printer that can print, copy, fax, and scan documents. It also supports two-sided printing on demand. Also, there is a 35-page automatic document feeder. It is one of the best sublimation printers for heat transfer, and it is also suitable for printing on mugs and t-shirts. When comparing WF7720 to color laser printers, it is concluded that WF7720 utilizes up to 80% less power. Furthermore, the WF7720 printer is only compatible with Epson cartridges and ink. It does not work well with third-party Ink-Core cartridges. You can use a 4.3A cubed color touchscreen for easy navigation and control. Additionally, it also works with Alexa voice control. Number 5. Brother MFC J995DW printer. Those who are looking for an affordable ink cartridge sublimation printer for their small business can choose the Brother MFC J995DW sublimation printer. It is a mini business all-in-one inkjet printer. This model includes several office printer characteristics as well as high-capacity ink cartridges with a cheap cost per page. The design of the Brother MFC J995DW is excellent. The printer's general construction feels solid, and the ink cartridges are readily available from the front. The scanner cover and input tray are well made, but the power wire isn't detachable. The USB and Ethernet connections are situated inside the printer, underneath the scanner bed, and the cables are routed through grooves to the printer's rear. If you plan on using these ports, the cable routing will reduce the length by roughly a foot. Thus, you may need longer cords. This investment tank color inkjet printer has a reasonable print speed at the minimum. It's faster than most all-in-one printers. You can reach up to 12 ISO ppm printing speeds with adjusted image options for monochrome prints. The color speed on this printer for home use is roughly 10 pages per minute. For a bit of business, it's perfect. According to the manufacturer, the investment cartridges included in the package might last up to a year, making it one of the greatest all-in-one printers for low-cost ink. Investment tank inkjet printers employ conventional, hygienic cartridges that now carry more ink and work with an internal ink storage tank to provide up to a year of printing without needing to replace cartridges. Moreover, re-engineered ink cartridges carry more ink and work with an internal ink storage tank to ensure continuous printing. Number 6. Canon SELPHY CP1300 Printer. This printer uses dye sublimation printer technology to produce prints up to 6'8" inches in dimensions. You can take the SELPHY CP1300 practically everywhere with the additional battery pack. This SELPHY CP1300 wireless photo printer makes it simple to produce vivid, long-lasting images that you'll be proud to show to colleagues and clients. Now you can frame personal images of special memories and experiences and display them in your workplace to add charm. You can print practically anywhere, owing to the built-in wireless 802.11b/G connection. It produces photos with or without borders, depending on your preferences. And most importantly, it is very fast in printing. It takes about 47 seconds to print, and a card-size photo takes about 39 seconds. Due to this printer, you can create bright, clear photos with the resolution of up to 300 by 300p. The SELPHY CP1300 wireless compact photo printer is the ideal handheld photo printer for at-home and on-the-go printing. The sleek, portable design allows you to take it wherever you go. Moreover, you can pick the perfect size for the appropriate picture, from 4A cubed x 6A cubed to 2.1A cubed x 2.1A cubed square to sticker sheet, all of which are made to endure up to 100 years and are even completely waterproof. It is easy to connect and print with AirPrint, your camera's memory card, or the Canon print tape from Facebook TM and Instagram TM. Your memories and experiences will be ready to share wherever you may be. You can also connect it directly with a USB drive or memory card. Further, with the optional power pack, you can carry your SELPHY and print from practically anywhere, right from your smartphone, USB, or memory card. Also, it is very convenient to choose, edit, and print your favorite photographs with the tilting 3.2A cubed LCD screen.